Well, I am 2 hours late feeding Tom. I bet you he works pretty good. We'll see. Hi, Tom. And here's your nice and yummy canned food. But you're going to back up over here. You're going to pick this up. Pick it up. Come on, Tom. Now. Oh, he hasn't had enough love yet. Okay, that's enough. But you're hungry. It's time for dinner. Hey, Tom. Come on. You can't do it sitting, and you sure can't do it laying. Hey, stand up. Are we going to do a rollover? Hey, Tom, roll over. Come on, try it. Hey, look here. Look here. Tom, over here. Yay, Tom the Cat. Look at that. Wow. We did a rollover. Now, wasn't that tasty? Wouldn't you like more? Let's pick up the prop. Come on, Tom. Let's go. Come on. Take it. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Thank you. Good boy. Very nice. Good job. Now, okay, one bite's all you need. Here we go, Tom. Let's go. Come on, Tom. Pick it up. Come on, go. Nah, you dropped it. Well, I think you turn into a silly cat when you're hungry. Here. Come on, let's go, let's go. Wrong direction, Tom. The treat's over there. Tom doesn't have a brain when he's hungry. And here I thought you'd work like a real enthusiastic beast. Hey, come on, Tom. Let's go. Stand up. Come on. Over here, over here. In my hand. Thank you. Boy, that was hard work. One more time. And we'll quit while we're ahead. Hey. Here you go. Come on, Tom. Let's go. Let's go. Get up. Come on. Walk. Walk. This way. This way. You're going the wrong direction, Tom. Hey. Over here. Go this way. Over here. Yay! Oh, that's a good one to quit on. Way to go, Tom. Okay, here's all your food. Wow. Goodness, I better be on time next time.